Good morning! Here is my beautiful Christmas tree that we put up yesterday. I'm actually going to be vlogging my first vlog with my new camera that I got, and I need to remember to look at the lens, that I got on Friday, which was Black Friday. I guess I got it for a decent deal, but it works. Just woke up maybe like half an hour ago. So today I'm gonna start off by making some tofu scramble. I've got it kind of, you know, pressing in my cheapy way that I press my tofu. And I actually just chopped up just a little bit of bell pepper that we had left over. And I'm gonna be chopping up a little bit of these field roast sausages that are amazing when you put it into tofu scramble. And then I'll be putting in the necessary spices, and I thought I would put together a little recipe video for you guys making the tofu scramble, because it is the best recipe ever, I have to say. Thank you to my friend who posted it on Facebook for everyone. He was very generous in sharing that, and I've been using it ever since. So yeah, here it is. Alright, so we took a little bit of a nap just now, and we are getting ready to go outside to do the rest of our Christmas lights on the front of the house. And we did a little bit yesterday, but we're going to try and finish up today. And I thought I would show you the kind of Christmas mess that we've got going on in our house right now. So there's the kitchen table. It's got some lights and tinsel and just random Christmas stuff everywhere. We've got some lights on the floor here and some stuff by the front door. And yeah, so we've got a little bit to do today, but it's not gonna be too bad. And I'll show you what we'll be getting up to. Say hello, Cameron. Say hello. Hello, Cameron. Hello. Okay. There we go. This is the highest point, and we're gonna get it with this tall pole thing that we bought last year that worked really awesome. So we're using it this year. We've gotten all of this done up to there. So now we're gonna do the peak and then come back down the other side. And yeah, we've got all this done here. We need to finish doing this part. And then I'm gonna do colored lights around the windows. So yeah, we'll be all lit up. So we are having a break, or taking a break. We are having some snacks and gonna make some hot chocolate. So my milk just got done heating in the microwave. So I'm gonna mix these up and have some hot chocolate. Yes, we don't have any of the like squirted whipped cream, so I'm having to use this, which is perfectly fine because the So Delicious whipped cream tastes amazing. So it's gonna work pretty darn well in this hot chocolate. Don't you think?
Yeah, right.
No. Alright, so we have finished with the pillars. That's the first one, and then the last two. Yeah, I like adding the extra dimension of the tinsel. Is this tinsel?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Okay. I don't know.
It's utensil.
Utensil? Oh, Lord. Well, there you go. So now I'm going to start working on the two windows here and here. So I was a dummy and I forgot my camera when we went to run some errands, so we just went out to get more clips for the lights, and we also got a few groceries for the week. So I'm gonna be putting the groceries away, and then I'm gonna keep going with the lights, and it's just the windows, so we're almost done. And then when it gets dark, I will show you guys what the house looks like lit up. So yeah. Okay, so officially the worst part of hanging lights is trying to figure out your wiring grid and where you're gonna plug everything, because, you know, on most houses, the only set of plugs that you have out front are these beauties. And then from there, you're kind of just left with figuring out everything else. So, it's so much fun. And I mean it. I think the worst part is probably the pillars because they're so far apart from each other. So they each have their own plugs, and yeah, I don't even know. So we're just trying to figure that out right now. And then we're gonna go to dinner. And after dinner, I will show you guys what the entire thing looks like if we can figure it out. Pray we can figure it out. First time recording in the car. This lighting is kind of cool. So we are on our way to have some dinner at an Indian cuisine place called Two Gingers. And they're not a fully vegan place, but they have amazing vegan options. And usually they're quite knowledgeable on figuring out, you know, what they can do to make some of the menu items vegan for you. And I mean, I kind of got one thing the first time, and then ever since then I've gotten the same thing because it's just so good, and you'll see it in a few minutes, but it is delicious and I literally get it every single time. So yeah, I'm really excited.
We're not walking in.
It's beautiful. Go on. Alright, so we are here and they got brand new menus, and my wonderful husband pointed out that on the new menu they have a V for vegan, which they did not have before, so that is so cool. So now you never have to guess when you come to Two Gingers what menu items are vegan. Just look at all those V's, you guys, for vegan. That's awesome. No vegan desserts, unfortunately. But yeah, we're gonna be in big trouble here. All right, so here we have our veg sampler appetizer with samosas right there, samosas, veg pakora, spring rolls, and aloo gobi, I think he said that was. All right, so I kind of started dishing my meal out and didn't realize I didn't record yet, so this is my veg jalfrezi. This is Jose's bacon bartha, which is like an eggplant dish. And we got some chapati bread with no butter. And yeah, so we're just gonna devour this.
Let us gather round, for it's Christmas time. A merry sound and the stars alight. Let us all rejoice when it's Christmas time, and our hope again made new. In the crowded streets calling Christmas time.